Hi friends, good evening. Today it is 9th June 2022 and the time is 7:30. Many people say that time doesn't work in the market and mostly price, but according to us, time is precious than price. When price meets time, it is explosion, and that is what happened today. So let's go see what we discussed in PPT and what we discussed in WhatsApp today and how market performed. Okay, so now let's go to PPT, and this PPT is already available in my YouTube channel. You can go and watch. So leave all this, just to watch this. Ichimoku time 9:25 to 9:30, and you already know that on expiry, first 30 minutes high and low will do the magic. Okay, today market open and first 30 minutes low is not taken out, but 30 minutes high is taken break. It broke on the higher side, and from there you have seen a phenomenal rally, right? And see how this timing worked. See how this timing worked, and see how this numbers worked. Okay, so this is the number, intraday number, 16,418 on futures, 16,418 on futures, and this is the magical number, 16,474. Okay, so now watch these two numbers, and I will show you what we discussed in PPT. In my WhatsApp group. Then you will know. Okay, so this is before the market starts, and I've clearly mentioned today morning that don't take any position home today, because tomorrow is Ekadasi, that is Friday is Ekadasi. Ekadasi on Friday, it is normally bearish. So I clearly said, whatever be the position today, we need to close the position today intraday, and we can initiate the trade only tomorrow. Let's see how the market opens tomorrow, then we will initiate the trade. So Friday on Ekadasi is bearish. Let's see how the market works, but we have our 907 number to capture the move. Okay, so now let's go to 907 number. So the sell not got initiated, but the buy got initiated 16,292. And from there, all target achieved 16,448, 15,448. Okay, so this is before market opens, and I've clearly mentioned watch Reliance, and this was the game changer today for Nifty. And I've given this at 9:20 because it has given a buy in 1 minute in our fortune signals, and from there it was a real rocker and took the Nifty to achieve all our 907 targets, as well as this is our future number, which I give at 9:30 to my followers, and 16,320 to 16,472, all numbers achieved, and the sell not got initiated. But suddenly there was a fall in between of 100 points, from the top, and we are able to capture that time also. And I've clearly mentioned Bank Nifty must hold this number, must hold 34,654, and the low was 34,660, right? And from there it took a good run actually, and Nifty filled the gap, and from there it started moving. And this was the Oil India, which I gave buy call to my followers. And first target is achieved, 297 is achieved, and another 3 I'm expecting. Let's watch. And this was the first timing. From there, market came down, but the real game is here. The real game is here. I'll show you that. Okay, this was the real game, and I gave this time at 12:48. Suddenly, when the market came down, and the market came down exactly from our number, it has not gone anywhere. It exactly took the ulta from our future number, which is 16,416, which is our intraday number. From there, it tanked and clearly said, those who made money today better close the position, because already it has given 100 points move in 907 number. Or you can use this timing, which is 10:10 to 10:20, which will decide the make or break will happen here. And this timing was given at 12:48. So okay, now let's go to the chart and see all this. Okay, so now, okay, this is Nifty. This was the first timing which I mentioned in my PPT yesterday, that 9:25 to, sorry, this candle, 9:25 to 9:30 candle. See how beautifully it respected the low, and from there we have seen a good run. Okay, maybe I can show this in future, that will be helpful for you. Yeah, so this was the candle. This was the candle which I mentioned in my PPT yesterday. And from there, it was a rocking move and exactly went and touched our intraday number 16,416. And when once it touched, it came down badly. And exactly the next timing, make or break timing is here. And from there, it was a rocker. And if you see the stop loss for this is hardly 15 points, not even 15 points. It is only 13 points stop loss. For that, it has given roughly around 150 points. And my subscribers knows how to trade these timings. I've already taught them. And it was a beautiful move. Again, it went up, closed above this number for 5 minutes. Once it closed above this number for 5 minutes, it is bullish, came down, touched the number, and from there it was a rocker. See how timing works. This 5 minutes timing on a weekly expiry, fighting with institutions and predicting this timing yesterday itself. All that, it is actually a goosebumps because we are only doing our work and market respecting the timings. But even on the expiry, we are able to catch this high, catch this bottom, and catch this bottom. It's all nothing but no, we respect the market and the market respect us. So fine, this is what it is, and everybody is having a goosebumps that market closed above today, and whether there is an end of fall. According to me, 100% no. First, on a number basis, again and again I'm saying, on a number basis, 16,641 must be taken out on the higher side, or 33rd June high has to be taken out on the higher side. Okay, so now let's go to the PPT. Let's go to the PPT for today. So that is for tomorrow's trade. Okay, so now this number has to be taken out. This number has to be taken out. What is this number? This number is nothing but the bullish number, monthly bullish number. It will become bullish only if it closes above this number, otherwise no. And today market closed exactly here. Bang on. It again came and closed at the weekly bearish number only. Even in weekly, it has not become bullish. But it has closed above, little above the expiry, game changer number. But everybody knows that, on expiry that, belongs to FIs. They closed it, little above this, but still it is not closed. It came and closed exactly here, right? Even Bank Nifty, if you take it, closed here only. If you go to Bank Nifty spot, somewhere it closed here only, right? So unless and until it has taken out on the higher side, this number, or on the bullish number, because this number is valid only till tomorrow. So this number is prominent for the whole month. Unless and until this number is taken out on the higher side, it is still bearish only, Apart from that, this was closed little positive today, but according to my workings, it is still in negative only. But I am putting this in a blue color because the future number closed above this number. That is why it has become blue. But according to my workings, still it is in negative only. So it has to give positive, then only it becomes real positive. Until now, these two numbers are negative only. For Bank Nifty, this is the number, and for Nifty, this is the number. But based on the calculation, it is negative only. But till this number is held, we don't need to worry about it. And today, expiry 30 minutes high and low is done the magic. Okay, so now tomorrow, very simple. All these rocked today, nothing to say, and I've shown the examples also. So now this is the must, which is it has to close above 3rd June high. Until now, it has not even closed above 6th June high. And I've already said that, below 6th June, Nifty will give 250 points and Bank Nifty will give 750 points. Until now, Nifty has given 200 points on the downside from the low of 6th June, and Bank Nifty has given 400 points from the low of 6th June. Right. And today I was talking about one number to my followers, not only my WhatsApp followers, even to my Telegram followers, 16,337. And this number I talked about in my video yesterday. That's a miracle number. Every time it came and touched that number, bounced, touched that number, bounced, touched that number and bounced. That was a beautiful number to catch it. And today we made some good money out of it. So what are this? I already mentioned. Nifty closed above the expiry game changer number, but Bank Nifty little above the expiry bearish number, and still it is struggling. So watch out for Bank Nifty. In case if the market comes down, you can use it for short position on Bank Nifty. And Ekadasi on Friday is normally bearish. Let's watch out. We use our 907 number to initiate the long or short. Astro is just a tool. We use our system to trade that Astro. It gives a little bit of cushion for us to be with the trend, okay. And tomorrow, watch this 1 hour candle in Bank Nifty. This is based on the past performance. We call it as 1 number magic candle. So based on that, this 1 hour is very, very crucial for Bank Nifty. 1:15 to 2:15 p.m. candle. Let's watch. And okay, this I've already talked everything. And I will add one more thing because this I need to. Yesterday I've already talked about this. Just mark this and see how BTC is going to react to this date. Okay, so react to this date. I will mark here, and I've already explained all this to you people. So kindly have a track. And this is the bullish number and bearish number for tomorrow. This is Nifty spot. This is Bank Nifty spot, and this is Nifty future, and this is Bank Nifty future. Okay, so you can take it. And as of now, this number will act as resistance tomorrow in case if the market goes up, which is 16,599, and this number won't change for the whole week. So tomorrow is the last date for this number. Okay, so this will act as a support. This will act as a support. This will also act as a support, right? Futures and Bank Nifty, all three bearish, all three as of now bearish. So this will all act as a resistance. So watch out. Until now on a weekly front, the buy is not initiated. So till now we have done only this much because market is not done that much to this week. It was up and down, and it is consolidating to the core, but most probably it will bust. And watch out for 14th June. Which I've already marked in my thing before the market, the monthly opens. So mark this. This date will be the game changer. And obviously this is there, which everybody knows, but this will be the game changer. Watch out for June 14. I've marked a stop based on some other analysis. Let's watch. It may be a top or a bottom. We don't care. We need that day candle high and low. That's all. Break above that high, simple buy with the stop loss of the low, vice versa, which you already know. So that's all. Nothing more to talk. Tomorrow there is no TCD, so you can use all this thing. And if you go, I think I have not marked. 1 second, just I'll finish that off in front of you so that you will also understand that. Okay, so this is the TCD counters, trend change date counters for this month. See, if you see here, it is below today's close, is below this. So you can simply go short with this number, stop loss is this. And this is the 4 number I've clearly told, mark in your system. This will do miracle. And see this, this is today's close is below this. And Biocon today, it does not given us an opportunity to buy at 321. It was a gap up, and from there it went up by 4%. So we don't care about, we need this counter to touch this number, then only we will take the position, otherwise no. See how beautifully this worked. The simple stop loss is only 13 points or 15 points, and today it is 764. This is today. So these are all very, very important. And 11th is Granvels, which is holiday. So we need to, these are the counters which is coming next week. Till this, no, only 2, because 19th is next week. Okay, next to next week. So we need to see only Granvels based on trend change date for the month. Okay, so now let's go here and paste it here. So I'll do this every day to my followers so that they know where these counters close. So that will be helpful for us to track. Okay, so that's how it is. So now I'll just show you my Reliance system in fortune signal. See how miracle it worked today. I'll just show you that and close the system. Okay, so let's go to Reliance, because the clear instruction to my people is on expiry day, we need to watch Reliance and Nifty on Bank Nifty in 1 minute time frame. Okay, in 1 minute time frame. So let's go to 1 minute. Okay, so we always do intraday based on 1 minute only, because this is a trending system. So we don't need 5 minutes to judge the market. Okay, so now it has given a buy today morning at 9:16, and this has become genuine here. Okay, this candle has become genuine here. So the buy is at 72737. So buy got initiated, went up 2737, went up, went up, went up, went up, and see how beautiful it is. It gave a sell, but this candle is not close to below this candle. So this is a fake sell to trap people to get out of the market, and this is where the market came down badly. And exactly at this number, Nifty came and touched 17,337. From there it took the ulta, and from there it took the ulta at 107 timing. And see how beautifully this captured this candle and gave an initiation, which is the fake sell from here. And from here it rocked like mad. It rocked like mad. 60 points in 1 minute candle. Simply follow the candle and sleep on expiry day. See how beautifully it worked in 1 minute. And intraday, we follow 1 minute only. And for positional, we'll follow 5 minutes and 15 minutes. We don't hold any position today. We squared up Nifty today. So we don't hold any position. We need to initiate the position only tomorrow. Okay. So this is how it is. And let's go to BTC and USD. Let's see where it closed yesterday. BTC and USD. Okay. So this is 1 day. Just a minute. Yeah. So this candle is vital. This candle is vital. The high I already marked here and the low I already marked here. It must hold this low, must hold this low. And BTC, this was the low of this candle. This red color number is the low of this candle. This candle was so big. So watch out. I think this red color, sorry, I'm sorry. So this red color candle has to be held by BTC. Okay, even if you go to Dow Jones, this, see how beautifully it is trading within the 31st May. I've already given this date to my followers. It's already there in YouTube also. It is already there in YouTube also. This was the miracle date. See how beautifully it is trading within that high and low of 31st for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And many people ask me whether trend change date means whether the trend will change completely. No, it's not like that. The trend may change. It may make a bottom, or it may make a top, or it may be a consolidation trend change also. So this is a pure consolidation timing, pure consolidation timing. Let's watch what happens on 17th of June for Dow Jones. And obviously 21st June is also workable for Dow Jones also. So see how beautiful this timing works. It's a miracle. And this is where we got the bottom in Dow Jones. Okay, you can go back and check all my videos on my YouTube so that you'll know all that. So thanks a lot for watching this video. Again, saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor, so kindly do your homework or consult your financial advisors before taking any financial decision. Thanks a lot. See you soon. Let's see Ekadasi on Friday whether it's going to be bullish or not. But you need a system to initiate the buy or sell, and to use Astro to your favor. Thanks a lot. See you soon tomorrow at 9:07. Bye.